Welcome. My name is Anita at Mimi George Branch Library in Stafford. Today I'm going to show you how to make snowy mason jar centerpiece using simple ingredients. So here are the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need first a mason jar, some twine, a pair of scissors, a paintbrush, a glue gun, some glitter, a Mod Podge, some Epsom salt, some decorations. I have a poinsettia here, some berries that I used, any decorations that you want to use on the mason jar. So let's get started. First, I'm going to pour some of the Epsom salt into a plate. Then I'm going to put some glitter in and mix it together. Then next, I'm going to get a plate. I'm going to open up the Mod jar. Gonna get my clean mason jar, and then I'm gonna just paint the Mod Podge all over the mason jar and make sure it's even. And I'm gonna try to get it on the bottom too. So make sure you get a clear, even coat. Here, so I can get it all over. This craft is very simple. And you can use it. You can use it for anything, basically. So as you can see, I'm kind of even out the coat of the Mod Podge. Once I have an even layer, I'm going to move this out of the way. And if you drop anything, just clean it up. And then I'm going to get the plate that has my Epsom salt and glitter, and I'm just going to roll it in. I'm going to try to roll it evenly, just like this. Shake it, make sure I get enough. Try to get an even coat. If I don't have it, just use my fingers. And try to get it on the bottom, and then also on the top. Sometimes it does become a little messy, so that's why I have the plate, so that it doesn't go all over my table. So if you miss a spot, use your hand to get it all over. So that is my mason jar. So I have it all over. Next, I'm going to move the plate. So now we're gonna use the twine, and we're gonna wrap it around just like the one I have wrapped right here. So before I wrap, I'm gonna take my hot glue gun, and I'm gonna put a little dab right on the mason jar, so it holds the end of it of the twine. So once I have it, I'm just gonna wrap it around, even layer. If you want to add some more hot glue gun, you can, but it's really not necessary. You have even several times around. Once I have it wrapped as much as I want, I'm just gonna cut with it right there of the twine, and then I'm gonna take the hot glue gun again, dab a little bit more, and then so it holds the other and the last end together. So once it's all dry, now I'm gonna take the twine and I'm gonna cut enough so I can wrap it around and still have a little bit left over so I can make a little bow. So probably enough of this. So this is the one if you want to use the berry and then the leaves or things like that to tie it. But since I'm gonna use the poinsettia to show you, I don't need the second twine. I just need hot glue gun. So I'm gonna put a generous amount of hot glue right on the twine, and then I'm just gonna stick the poinsettia. So that is my snowy DIY mason jar, one with the berries and one with the poinsettia. You can also use other decorations like ribbons, or if you want to make it into other holiday, let's say you just don't want it for the winter holiday, you can also use other regular flowers, sunflowers, things like that. So decorate your house. Just make it into your own. Thank you.